Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade sherbet ice cream. Sherbet is a wonderful frozen treat, offering a delightful balance between the fruitiness of sorbet and the creaminess of ice cream. For a classic orange sherbet, you'll need just a few key ingredients: fresh orange juice, granulated sugar, heavy cream, and milk. Using freshly squeezed juice and a touch of zest truly elevates the flavor, making your homemade sherbet incredibly vibrant and refreshing. Let's prepare our sherbet base. First, in a medium bowl, whisk together 2 cups of freshly squeezed orange juice with 2/3 cup of granulated sugar until the sugar completely dissolves. In a separate bowl, whip 1/2 cup of heavy cream with the remaining 1/3 cup of sugar until it forms soft peaks. Now, gently stir 1/2 cup of milk into your orange juice mixture. Finally, carefully fold the whipped cream into the fruit and milk blend, preserving its airy texture. Once your base is ready, it's time to churn. First, refrigerate your sherbet mixture for at least 1 hour to ensure it's thoroughly chilled. Then, pour the cold base into your ice cream maker. Churn it according to your machine's instructions, which usually takes around 20 minutes. The sherbet will have a soft serve consistency at this point. Transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. To enjoy your delicious homemade sherbet, remove it from the freezer about 10 minutes before serving to allow it to soften slightly. Feel free to get creative with flavors. Raspberry, lime, or even pineapple make fantastic sherbets. For an even softer texture, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of a fruit liqueur to the base before churning. You can also stir in fresh berries or additional citrus zest for an extra burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.